Welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we'll be talking about a little special sneaker with the end of the month coming up. It is Halloween, so today we'll be talking about some Nike Dunk Low Premiums, and these are known as the Halloween Dunks. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, feel free to check out that join button for all of our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. Today we're going to be talking about a really cool dunk that's celebrating Halloween. I feel like this is the first time I've actually gotten something from Nike prior to the actual holiday, since we've all experienced them getting delays on a lot of their holiday drops. This actually came before it, but this will be set to release on the 29th if you weren't able to snag a pair of these in store. This also was pretty well known because there was a shock drop on these, and for those of you who went through the process of the shock drop, what happened was a TV actually appeared, and then you had to actually scratch the TV, and underneath the scratching, or after I guess you've scratched it off, appeared an image. So congrats to anybody who was able to cop these on that shock drop. Unfortunately, I was unable to do that. We're going to start off by talking about the overview of these, jump into size and fit, followed by how I styled them, and then we will conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market, since these haven't fully had a wider release yet. Let's jump right into it. So honestly, when I took these outside the box, I'm not getting like these extreme Halloween vibes from this. Not to say that it's not a cool looking dunk, it's just not screaming, literally screaming, get it? So starting with the front, we do have just a nice leather base. So we've got some charcoal gray going on the upper here. On the front portion is this nice crackled leather effect, which I think gives it a really nice kind of quirky aged look. So that I can see kind of being Halloween themed. It's aged and older. The laces are nice and just simple and muted with just nice gray color tone with charcoal gray on the nylon for the tongue. We do have Nike, and I guess more of a Halloween kind of font with the swoosh mark, and the Nike in just a nice simple black. And then on the eyelets, that crackled leather also continues. So let's take a look at those details, then move along to the side paneling. All right, so working our way along to the side paneling on the medial side, we've got that crackled swoosh, and then the crackled leather also works its way to the back of the heel. Again, we have that different Nike font, which is kind of a nice kind of Halloween textured font. And as we work our way to the other side of the lateral portion of the sneaker, you'll notice that we've got two swoosh marks. One almost looks like it's disappearing, so I guess it has that kind of ghostly effect. Ooh, so scary. It's like Didn't think there was a swoosh there, but whoa, it's there behind the other crackled swoosh mark. As we work our way to the upper as well, that same crackled material works its way to the front. I'm moving this actually with the light, and there is kind of a metallic-y color scheme to this sneaker, which really hits the light quite nicely. The interior is in a nice kind of bright green colorway with Nike in that same font. And as we work our way to the bottom, we've got a clean white midsole, and the outsole is in what they're calling Scream Green. Kind of looks like slime, I guess, from Nickelodeon, but it does have the really cool speckled grind rubber. So you can see there's multicolors of specks in there to complete the sneaker. All right, let's take a look at those last and final details. As far as size and fit goes, I would say strict true to size in this one. I got a 7.5, which is equivalent to a woman's size 9. And I feel like if you do have higher to narrow feet like myself, definitely stick in your original size range. But if you do have flatter, wider feet, that could differentiate something that works opposite from my own, since we do have different types of feet. All right, so now let's talk about styling. So I actually was in Urban shopping. They've got a really cool Halloween section right now. So if you haven't checked Urban out, definitely go and walk through there. They've got some nice kind of quirky, fun Halloween pieces. So for the first look, I definitely wanted to give it a Halloween kind of vibe. So I decided to get this denim jacket. It was in a darker black denim, and it has a Frankenstein on the back with some nice kind of subtle lime green accents, which I feel like just match the sneaker perfectly. I layered that with just a simple silvery top, and then on top of that, I wore this kind of tie-dyed button-down collared shirt that had a nice kind of same slime green colorway going on. And then for the bottoms, I just wore some nice darker denim that matched that jacket.
To be seen in the night to test your doubt. Everybody knows even the little things can go to your head.
Then for the second look, had to go with my new Supreme sweats. So if you haven't seen that Supreme video, go back, check it out. But I got the entire sweat piece for the hoodie and matching pants that had that nice kind of satin material on it. And I feel like that mint green actually matched the bottom of the outsole of these perfectly.
To test your doubt. Everybody knows even the little things can go to your head and freak you out. But ghosts will be ghosting, it's the kids that scare the most. And I don't blame them, they just wanna have some fun.
And then for the last and final look, I decided to wear a just simple black leather skirt with a button-down plaid shirt that had some nice kind of colors that really matched this sneaker to a T.
Crawl out your grave, fly for your life. Nowhere to run, nowhere to go. You suck it up and watch it grow out. Every now and then I think back to when we were young. Was it worth the sweet? 'Cause every Halloween they come out to be seen in the night while we trick or treat.
So So you let me know down below what was your favorite look out of the 3, or how would you style these?
Take the road through the trees, kick through the leaves, fear they may follow me. There's a voice on the breeze, weak at the knees, they are just ghost stories. Think about why every Halloween do you believe in each and every word that they say. Pull yourself together like they always do, or they just wanna get the better of you. I'm coming to get you. Some wicked cabaret, the branches.
Now let's conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So again, these have not officially had a wide release, but these did retail at $120 and they are going currently between $125 to $170. So for those of you who are looking to snag a pair of these to celebrate the holiday, good luck. I hope that you all take a W on these. But other than that, that's it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Hit that subscribe on your way out. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave those down below and hit that notification box. We do have a ton coming out that I don't want to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We'll catch you all on the next episode.
This way.